For close round 7, after the last 3 chain, make a slip stitch top of very first front post, single crochet here, and this round finish. Round 8, we have to move top of this popcorn, so make 3 slip stitch here, then another one top of this popcorn. One, 2, 3, and the other one top of this popcorn. Now here for a start 2 chain, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 front post double crochet around this popcorn and the other one around the next. So around the popcorn, front post double crochet unfinished, and the other one around the next, 2 loops on the hook and the cluster. 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now a double crochet top of first chain here, and just repeat this pattern. Another cluster around this popcorn and next popcorn, 1 front post double crochet here and the other one around next, like this. Now repeat this again. 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a double crochet into first chain here, again another cluster around this popcorn and next popcorn, 1 front post double crochet around this one and the other one around next. Totally 16 cluster and 16 this special stitch. Okay, 4 chain, I just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 and a double crochet into first chain here, then another cluster here. Continue this round and I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 8, after the last stitch, make a slip stitch top of first cluster here and this round finish. 9 chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet top of same cluster like this. Now put a marker top of same cluster here. In this round we want to work around front post double crochet of cluster, and each of this double crochet here hold this for chain space behind of work like this. Okay, around this 2 here and here we have to make Tunisian stitch, yarn over, 5 double crochet around first front post double crochet, one unfinished, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 4, and now like this, hold these 2 loops on your hook, and again 5 double crochet around next front post double crochet of cluster. This is cluster, and around this 2, okay, here 5 unfinished double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, again pull through 2 loops, yarn over, again and again. Now here 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops together like this, chain 1, a single crochet, top of same cluster. I put a marker here, so in the same place here, make a single crochet, remove this stitch marker, and here it's like this. Now here around this double crochet, a single crochet, then a half double crochet, then a double crochet, then a picot, 1, 2, 3, now a picot here, another double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet like this. Again, top of this cluster, make a chain, a slip stitch first, then a chain and a single crochet, put this marker, and again Tunisian stitch around this one and this one. I just repeat the pattern to show you. 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now around next front post double crochet here, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a cluster here. Chain 1, a single crochet in the same place as this stitch marker here. Here like this. Again around this double crochet, a single crochet, a half double crochet, then a double crochet, now a picot, 1, 2, 3, a picot, another double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet around same double crochet to make this. I just repeat it again one more time. Here a slip stitch, chain 1, a single crochet. I just put this marker again to find it easy. Top of same cluster here. Like this. Now Tunisian stitch around this front post double crochet, then around this one, 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here a single crochet exactly here, remove this stitch marker and make a single crochet, then around this double crochet here, this one, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, picot, a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, a slip stitch top of next cluster and chain 1. Okay, repeat this pattern until finish this round. And I come back here to close this round.